Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a budget tracker in Notion. So first open Notion and head over to the bottom of the sidebar, click on Marketplace, head over to Discover the templates and search for budget tracker. With enter, you'll get some templates here. Just choose the template that suits your needs and that you like. And so let's, for example, choose this one and click on add to space, and just wait for the page to be added to your space. And now this page will be added to your desired shared space. And here it is, your budget tracker template has been added to the workspace, so you can see all the budget tracker settings and actions, the schedule, and all of these details. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.